So Andy, you've brought a lot of different products in for us to see today, but I've got to be honest with you, my favourite is this one that I've got attached to me in my phone, because I'm a bit of a butterfingers, drop my phone all the time, and this is just a great way of having your phone, keeping it safe with the phone tether. Can you just talk us through the phone tether, how the principle behind it?
Yep, certainly. The phone tether, and here I've got one not attached. We call it a phone harness.
Okay.
Because unlike a pouch or something, this is designed to harness your phone. And it's simply applied on the back of the phone. The white bit goes to the top, so it's simply hooked over. And then it will accommodate all sizes of phones. And that's it. It's now on. What's really sort of unique about the way R1 works is a little bit of physics involved. Okay. And you can see very simply that the tethering point is in the middle.
Yes.
If you pull up, you're making the product tighter. If you tether it to the top or the bottom, you're actually trying to pull it off, because that's the way it's gone on. Wow. So by anchoring in the middle and pulling up, it actually gets the thing tighter. So it makes it easy to capture any size phone with that particular harness, and we can position it in such a way that we can get the camera uncovered. And the reason we've used white at the top is that if the edge of it comes into the camera, it tends to disappear out of shot.
Right.
Now, normally we would couple that with a lightweight coil lanyard. So that's rated for 0.5 kilogram, which your phone's nowhere near that.
Well, I love this. It's saved my phone a few times already, because, as I say, I drop it reasonably often. It's important to say it's not a case in its own right, but it is a great bit of kit. And if I remember right, they're about £20 each.
Yeah,
about that. So for peace of mind to have it, you can get them on our web shop at reaxlimited.com.